Hello friends, welcome to the another unboxing video to my channel. So this is another video of another parcel just came just few minutes ago from Ajio. I ordered it from Ajio. It is a pant, a jeans and a shirt. So let's unbox. As usual, Ajio package is like that, plastic package. So let's open it and let's see what inside. I'm just assuring I'm cutting the perfect thing or not. Actually, I'm scaring about cutting the pant or not. So as you can see, चले unboxing चले दादी. Hey. So guys, let's see what inside. Wow, it's very hard packaging, very hard packaging. What inside? This is the invoice, and here it is jeans, and here it is the shirt. Let's begin with the jeans. Yes, that's it. This is the jeans. The brand is Buda Jeans and Co. Waist 30, slim fit, Buda Jeans and Co. So yes, it is. So as you can see, it's black color. Quality is nice. Stretchability is nice also. This is my first time I'm purchasing this Buda Jeans Co. This brand. First time purchasing. Let's see how it's feel after wearing. Okay, it's good. It's good, I think. Quality of pocket is good. Wow. Chain is very small. Very small chain. Let's forget about chain. That's it for the jeans, and let's see the shirt. This is shirt. Let's open. Yes, that's it. The brand of shirt is the Indian Garage Co. Yeah, Indian Garage. So this is the short size, S size. I don't know whether it will fit with my body or not, but this is the smaller size. It's a bit smaller. I don't know whether it will fit with me or not. This is mixed, not 100. I think this is mixed, not 100% cotton. I'll let you know on next video whether it will fit with me or not. Thank you very much.